Very relevant indeed.
Yeah, I even think this movie's gonna pass the Bechdel test.
Totally.
That maybe someone actually gets you.
We could kill her.
I don't know what keeps going on at these masses. This is the fourth hinge this week.
If I can just put everything back in its right spot, then it's all gonna be okay.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.